So guys, what do we have here? We have burst fade, low to mid on the sides, nothing of the top. He likes to grow the top and nothing of the back, isn't it? So only the fade on the sides. I will show you how you fade the burst fade, how you do the burst fade in the easiest and nice way. The usual first thing we start, we set the zero guide line. Try to do it as low as you can. Now shape everything off below the guideline. Next step, get your shaver and shave halfway. Don't go to the end of the line. Next, get your trimmer, and there's a small harsh line between the super zero and the zero. That's what we try to remove. So just hit by your trimmer just halfway on the middle here. Don't go to the end of the line. Now get your clipper again with the level open and hit 1 inch here. Next step, you close the clipper halfway, and there's a small guideline between the 0 and the half here. That's when we try to remove. So you just like you hit on the middle. Don't go to the end of the guideline. Just on the middle. Next step, you get number 1.5 with the level open, and you up with 1 or 1.5 inch. But always flick your clipper that way. Next one, we will get number 1 level open, and we hit here, but we don't touch the number 2 at the end of the number 2. If you can see it, this is the end of the number 2. We don't touch it. Always flick your clipper that way. Last thing with the fade, we have small guideline here. How we remove this one? We put half open clipper and we hit only on this line. Now to connect between my fade and the top, what I'm gonna use number 2.5, and I will flick only on this line, like just that way.
Here we go.
Like it?
Nah. Beautiful. Love it. I love it, mate. Thanks, Bobby.
That's super high fade, right? That's not what I wanted. Are you sure? You don't have to pay.
Run out of the door now. I love it. Cheese, mate. Beautiful.
That's a good fade.
Beautiful, mate.
First choice barber.